Today's the day. We are unboxing my Juvea Elevate King pillow. I'm super excited. Here's the box. I already did the hard thing, got it out of the cardboard, the brown cardboard shipping box. So here's the beautiful box. Do a little twirly twirl. So Juvea is a USA-based pillow company. Juvea. I got the Elevate Deluxe King pillow. I'm really excited because my neck has been hurting when I sleep, and it's been kinking, and I've been sleeping super inconsistent. So I was looking for a pillow that is going to help me with that. So today we're going to unbox it. Okay. Got this Juvea. So it is 100% tallow latex, 100% tallow latex. So it's not gonna flatten or sink like memory foam. It's gonna shape and mold to my body, into my head, into what I need. People who sleep on Juvea 100% natural tallow latex pillows feel a buoyant, supported, rejuvenating sensation during sleep. They keep their shape, are lighter weight, and do not flatten or sink like memory foam pillows. Juvea pillows perform excellently and instantly for all types of sleepers in all temperatures. And they got a little care for when you first get the pillow. And a little message on the back. Sharing is caring. Give them a review. They can be found their website, Amazon. Their pillows do come with warranty. So here it is. Comes in this pouch. And it does say, so it says step 1, unpack your pillow. There's a zipper here. Ooh. So it is so soft. Very soft. Firm. Pretty hefty. I can already tell I'm gonna sleep so good on this. I love the way it feels. It's like a cloud. No, wait. And then here's the zipper. And here you can see. My goodness. This feels really nice. Breathable. Be back later this week with another update on how I felt using my Juvea pillow throughout the rest of this week. I'm gonna sleep so amazing.